Glass of milk. Ugh. We're ready. Let's do it. Bad neck pains. Oh, it's stiff here. I need a massage. There's no song request on right now. I'm just playing for my playlist. Someone banned Nightbot actually, so that he doesn't trick people into thinking there's song request. She's hot, but still trash because her AI suck. Alright, so she's stupid, but, well, you know. There's more people than brains. Maybe she has a lot of heart. I don't know. Take that, Nightbot. Frick. Even if he wasn't banned, he still, your song wouldn't play because I don't have the thing open. Oh, okay, that was kind of scary. Your chat bans everyone. It looks bad, you know what? It looks bad because the hotel command and the ban bar command, but these guys all asked for it. My chat used to not be filled with bans, I swear. There's never any serious bans, but it's just a mess all the time now. Where's Spamcast? I want to know if Spamcast's not getting hassled. I think it's been hard to like get runs going while I'm trying to like wear in this new controller, but it's definitely been feeling a lot better lately. Yes. I'm gonna have to show you how to snail run Resident Evil 4 sometime, yeah? Why, do you snail run it? Or do you actually speed run it and that's what you're just calling your skills? Because, well, I guess I'm snail running Monkey Ball. But, you know, I'm really fast now. I'm like Turbo. You guys ever seen that movie? I never saw it, but it's about like fast snails. Slow run. You know, a speed walk. A light jog. Nah, I've only played it twice. That's interesting. That's cool. I've never actually played a Resident Evil game, so that's an interesting idea. I'd definitely like to try that sometime. We should talk more about that. I do want to stream with more people. I'm usually bad. I never ask people to stream with me because I'm awkward. Like once the stream gets going, I'm fine. But like it's so hard to like ask, you know. But I had like a 17-hour time. That's not too bad. Sure. I mean, like that's in one like playthrough or whatever. One. What's it called? That's not gonna make it. I was not feeling that. Not that one either. Ugh. There we go. Third try. Do we take those? I guess we did. We're gonna lose a bit. I think we'll still be ahead, but we're gonna lose a bit of that time save. But literally, you have to not die at all to save time on in Ocean in this PB. Because it was like, yeah, it was at least deathless. It was fairly perfect though. Alright, let's see if we remember the route. After coin slots, go straight to Arthropod. Can we remember? What button? Please. It's from Final Fantasy VII Hexology. Yeah, it is from Final Fantasy VII though. It's a Sephiroth theme. Oh my gosh! Giant Cone, bless the run. Load manip. That's right. I'm really trying today to get it to implement into the run. I have a text document open with all the places I have to go. It's so hard to remember to do it though, dude. I just want to mash A every time I go to stage select. That's what I do, man. Hog. There's around 8 official remakes of the song. I bet they all sound good though. Alright, that's fine. Whatever. There's only so well you can do dynamic maze. There's a nice little opening here if you miss the skip, so whatever. As long as we don't die in Whale, we save time because I think we died on launchers in our PB. There's around 8 official remakes. I read it. Yeah, reading the same message again, man. What a curse. But yeah, I feel that, but I'll get ingrained here muscle memory over time. Yeah, I hope so. One day. Today, only once have I successfully decided. In this entire 4.5 hour stream, only once have I successfully like made this choice to like switch to a different level. As opposed to just mashing. But you know, that's the difference, right? That means I'm getting better. The Sephiroth theme and the singers talk about him. Alright, after coin slots, we go straight to Arthropod. I said it out loud. While we're on coin slots. I can't forget now. This music gets really nice and pleasant partway through. Nice whale. Yeah, the whale's going pretty well so far, too. I forgot! Oh, man. That's great. I just said it! Every time, dude. Every time. I just want to mash, man. I just gotta mash. It's who I am. What are you guys doing? Data, please. Nice whale. Sephiroth theme. Alright. Save some time! Nice! Wow, all green run. I think this is the first this is the first all green run of today. Le Mao. Le Mao. Everyone's really tired, I can tell, dude. Is this the final countdown? Oh my gosh. know what? That's fine. Well, I mean, it's kind of slow, but it's fine. Wow. Would have saved more time, a lot more time if we didn't die on, what's it called? Tears, but, oh well. We can save time here if we just don't die, actually. This went, it went decently in our PB. As usual, every single PB, dude. Every single set of splits. All they have to do is not be a nincompoop in this world, and we save time. But we're gonna be a nincompoop, so don't worry about it. Time save, sniff. No sniffing. You know, you might think that I have a bad mindset when it comes to resetting, gamer, but I think you have a bad mindset when it comes to being on runs. This is incredible. Aren't you guys aware that all my time save is in the last 2 splits? If I'm ahead at this point, then I'm killing it. Nincompoop. Like, that's just how it is. That's the situation we're in here. So being ahead is really, like, more than I can ask for at this point. We choked the last run. We choked the PB. Nincompoop, the new Nintendo product. I guess it does kind of sound like Nintendo, huh? Nincompoop. That's funny. Oh, I can't stay straight. This new controller just doesn't do subtle movements, dude. I'm sorry. I can't stay straight. I'm just gonna go right for the goal right now, dude. Yeah. Whoa! I got hit. Why are you yelling at me, gamer? Relax. Oh, I can post links. I want to show you one of my emails. Yeah, sure you can. Links are permaban. I want you to PB, but you're angry. I don't know, man. It's scaring me. I can tell there's a lot of tension. There's a lot of suspense right now, dude. I don't even know. I mean, I'm pretty on edge right now, but you guys are walking on hot coals. Or maybe it's just gamer. I don't know. Through the Fire and Flames is back. Nice. Do the Ditto Square. Nice Ditto Square. Whoa, that was kind of weird. The purple Ditto Square is kind of cute. Isn't a square on my phone. Rude. Honestly, you guys were worried about me dying on Steve, but I usually like take a lot longer to do flock. Like, that was a really good flock for me, dude. You ready for this? Who was yelling about me not PBing? I told you, dying on Steve is not being a nincompoop. That's nothing. One death in World 7? That's nothing. To me, as Nigel Thornberry, I wish I could see that right now, dude. Whisper it to me so I can look at it when it disappears from the chat. Please. Not. It's fine. A minor mistake. I don't know what I was doing there, though. Can't decide whether it's perfection or the ugliest thing ever. Yeah, that's usually how people get around Nigel Thornberry. I'll go with that. Perfection. Alright. It's a good choice anyway. Dang it. I tried to save it. Alright, second try, we take those. Yeah, we take those. Whoa. 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 Definitely take those. What are you, gamer? Come on! That's like the hardest trick in the run. Getting that second try is excellent. Jeez, the standards these people have, these Meat Boy runners, I tell you, they're too good. They can't comprehend my monkey brain. I'm not remembering to skip any levels, by the way. Apparently, I refuse. Okay, that's stupid. Sorry. Let's try that again. It's a new setup for Warp that I just started using. It's a faster way to finish it. Just I don't know what happened there. But what matters is that we actually could beat the hard part of the level correctly. So you know what? We'll take that little mistake right at the beginning. It's probably because I'm 41st in the world. Luscious. Oh, brushes dust off his shoulder. Okay. Alright. Can feel the pressure emanating off of chat. And again, not just chat, just gamer. Do it! You can do it! Swing shaft. Please don't eat my anus. Yes! Oh, clip RNG could have totally made it, so I just like fell right off the edge there. That's why I'm scared, dude. That's why I was scared. Peacher's Teal reveal. No Peacher's Teal here. We're losing time, but we're still ahead. And now we're on the time save splits. Here we go. We've been green this entire run, which is incredible. Last 3 worlds? No, definitely the last 2 worlds mainly. All of it was in the final world, actually. Like, that's where I died on Labyrinth 3 times. Or 4 or 5 times. But it started dropping here. That's the problem. Jinx, jinx, what did I say? What did I say? That was a jinx. What did I do this time? Baruch emo. Alright, Baruch. At least Baruch's kidding. I don't know about Gamer. That freaking Baruch face. Baruch emote everywhere. Everyone everywhere. If you go by more than 10 minutes, I shall forgive you for not doing no reset. More than a minute, huh? That's what it takes to get forgiveness, huh? You're like a competitive father that expects too much of his sporty son, you know? If you win this game, you'll earn my love. Ugh. Teal hair. That's true, you do have teal hair. That's funny. Funny that things should turn out that way. Yes! Oh, first try guillotine. Why am I no tired? I've got 4 days no sleep. I need sleep. I can't seem to do it. I don't know, man. I got nothing for you, dude. All Might! Hog! Although guillotine is supposed to be my strat, but, you know, it's been kind of weird lately. Everything's been kind of weird lately. What a coincidence, eh? Supposed to see him, but it turned out teal, yeah. Oh. You got the real teal hair, dude. If you became a speedrunner, you'd teal every split. At least on the second run. Why am I down? Oh! Stupid. I always forget the setup for orbiters. It's not boosting. You literally just move a bit to the right. And you slow down a little bit. You don't want to bounce too much. You don't want to go crazy. This is going to be a 6 split. Lol. It happens. I don't know, orbiters, man. I never practiced it or anything. It's easy if you do it right, but where are you going? Sorry. Monkey, please. Relax. It was me who wasn't relaxed. The monkey was having fun. I'm sorry, I. I told you it was all at the end, boys! I told you! Still a pretty sick split, I gotta say. We're going for gimmick once. That can work sometimes, but usually not. Yeah. Alright, I'll go for the frame again, but that's it. Ah, the frame. Dang it. I said I would only go for the frame. 76 again. Stop getting that. I don't know how to make that work. I should stop going for the frame. Alright, there's not the frame. Alright, let's do it normally. The teal in this world is freaking epic space calling thing. Oh yeah, it is kind of teal, isn't it? That's funny. It's funny that it would be like that. And there's no special order for this world, so I can't mess it up. No gimmick, you can run not valid. Those are the rules. I had to skip it. It was either I go for the frame, it doesn't work, and then I finish it casually, or maybe I get stuck on gimmick for the rest of the run, and I don't want that, man. Oh wait, we got Labyrinth skip. I didn't want to say anything before we got it. I didn't want to say a word about Labyrinth. Labyrinth is what choked the run last time. You guys carroting? That's great. Them's the rules, eh? Alright. Freaking casual staircases, here we go. We better believe I'm not gonna learn this quadruple frame for a while. I'll do a lot of other things before I do that. It's pause framing that's my weakness, dude. I'll learn freaking double spiral fast before I learn this. Find an Easter egg and be specific. I don't know. There's a bird face in your carrots. Kind of. Oh, dude, there's an actual Easter egg there. The Easter Bunny left it. Oh, this is such a pain. Don't bother. The postmodern frames, you mean? I believe it. It looks ridiculous. I'm just like maybe there's some nice backup frames or something, but I just can't consistently pause frame, be able to do that. You know? Stuff. Should I have gone for invisible skip? I said I would never go for invisible skip again except until I learn the frames, which is arguably worse, but I don't know. Oh! What? I never die on this stage. That is so sad, dude. That is terrible. That is just awful. That is absolutely ridiculous. Come on now. Why would you do that to me? On this of all days, on my birthday, you would do that? Wow. What a day. Oh. Oh, there we go. Wow, and with all those mistakes, we still managed to save a minute 14. Yeah, that PB had a long time coming, I'd say. Told you it'd be a 36. No 36 skip, but that's alright. That is so alright, dude. I could still get sub 35 without learning any new strats, but I might just go try to learn some for the next run. Pog! It's not Teal Bart. Suck it up! Oh.